Hello students, welcome back to our video. In this short video, we'll be seeing about equations. How to solve equations with one variable and two variables. So we'll be covering two objectives today. The first one is solving equations with one variable and then solving equations with two variables. In the previous videos, we have already learned what is a variable. It can be x, y, z, a, b, c, anything, but not a number. So let's go into the lesson. First, let us see the difference between expressions and equations. Previous videos we have seen what is an expression. So 4x plus 8 is an expression. So when we add an equal sign and give a number to it, it becomes a equation. So for example, 3y plus 7 is an expression. When we write 3y plus 7 equal to 10, it becomes a equation. So I hope you have understood the difference between expressions and equations. Now let's try to solve an equation with one variable. So here you have an equation with one variable and the variable is x. So what do you have here? 4x plus 8 equals 17 plus x. So you have x in both the sides, right? So here you have 4x and here you have x. So first try to remove the x from the right side. So if you want to remove the x from this side, here you have plus x, right? So what is the additive inverse of plus x? It's minus x. So we will do minus x on both the sides. Minus x, minus x. So what does it becomes? What is 4x minus x? 3x plus 8 equal 17. So now here you have plus 8, right? So we have to remove this from the left side. So if you want to remove plus 8, you have to add minus 8 on both the sides. Minus 8, minus 8. So it becomes 3x equal, what is 17 minus 8? 9. So we have 3x equal 9, right? So we want to find the value of x. So we will divide both the side by 3, which is equal to 3. So x equal 3. Let's try one more example. So here, what do you have here? Y minus 4 equal 2y plus 10. Here you have y and 2y. So we will try to remove y from the left hand side. So what is the additive inverse of y? It's minus y. So we will add minus y on both the sides. Minus y, minus y. So we get negative, what is y minus y? 0, right? So negative 4 equal, what is 2y minus y? Y plus 10. So with the variable y, what do you have here? Plus 10. So what is the additive inverse of plus 10 minus 10? Minus 10. So we will add minus 10 on both the sides. So y equal, what is negative 4, negative 10? It's negative 14. I hope this concept is clear for you. Whenever they are asking you to solve equations with one variable, you have to make sure that you are adding the additive inverse and finding the value of y. Let's try next. You have the next example here. 6x plus 10 equal 20 plus x. So you have here plus x. So what do we need to do now? We need to add the additive inverse of plus x, which is minus x minus x. So we will add here minus x on both the sides. What is 6x minus x? It's 5x plus 10 equal 20. Because x plus minus x equals 0. The additive inverse. So along with the variable, what do you have here now? Plus 10. So if you have plus 10, what is the additive inverse of plus 10? It's minus 10, right? So we will add minus 10 on both the sides. So plus 10 and minus 10 becomes 0. So 5x equal, What is 20 minus 10? It's 10. So you have here 5x. So in order to get x, what do you need to do? You need to divide by 5 on both the sides. So we'll divide by 5 on both the sides. So x 10 over 5 is 2. So your x equal 2. I hope you're getting the concept now. Let's try the next example. Y plus 9 equal 20, which is a very simple example. So let's solve it together. You have y plus 9. So what is the additive inverse of plus 9? Minus 9, minus 9. So your answer is 9 plus 9 minus 9 becomes 0. So your y equal 20 minus 9 is 11. So I hope the concept is clear for you now. Now let's see how to solve equations with two variables. So what do you have here? X and y, which is two variables. You are going to deal with two variables now. So when you have some equations like this, if they are asking you to solve two variables, they'll always give you two equations. Take the first equation as A and the second one as B. So what do you have here? Plus y plus y. Let us make it into 0. So in order to make it to 0, let's subtract equation A minus equation B. So what do we get? 2x minus x, right? If you are subtracting the equations, 2x minus x, which is equal to x. Y minus y, which is 0. Y minus y is 0. 2x minus x is x. So 10 minus 7 is 3. So you get x equal 3. Now you can substitute x equal to 3 in any of the equation, either A or B. Let me substitute in B, which looks easier for you. So now if you substitute in this equation, x plus y equals 7. 3 plus y equals 7. So now you have only one variable to solve. Can you do this? You have plus 3 with the variable y. So we will do minus 3 on both the sides. So we get y equal 7 minus 3 is 4. So we got the answer for both the variables, x equal 3 and y equal 4. Let's try the next example. So what do you have here? Two variables, x and y. So let us name it equation A, equation B. So here you have plus 2x and here you have minus 2x. So the previous problem we subtracted because we had plus y plus y. So y minus y became 0. We need to make this x 0. So what we can do? We can add both the equations, right? So if you add, what it happens? If you add a plus b, 4y plus 4y becomes 8y plus 2x minus 2x becomes 0. 20 plus 12 becomes 32. So let's sum up this into an equation. 8y equal, because this is 0, we will leave it off, 32. So now near y, what do you have? 8y, right? So we will divide by 8 on both the sides. So 8 over 8 is 1. So we get y equal 32 over 8 is 4. So now let's substitute this in any one of the equation, either A or B. I'll substitute in A. So substituting y equal to 4, you get 4y. Our equation A is 4y plus 2x equal 20. So 4 times 4 plus 2x equal 20. So we get 16 plus 2x equal 20. So you have, what do you have near 2x? Plus 16, right? So we will do minus 16 minus 16. So we get 16 minus 16 is 0. So you get 2x equal 20 minus 16 is 4. So now you have near 2, you have 2x, right? So we will divide by 2, divide by 2. So which is equal to 2. So we got x equal 2. I hope these two examples helps you to clear the idea of solving equations with two variables. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you, students.